Hi scholars, it's Miss Dunn here. I'm excited to do math with you today. And just like yesterday when you were practicing place value with Miss Want as you played the game Race to 30, today we're going to continue to practice place value by playing a new game, Bingo, where we're going to match the quantity and the numeral. So to review, this 1 cube, the quantity is 1. And when we have 10 of those cubes, or 10 ones, we're going to exchange them or bundle them to make one group of 10, or what we can call a 10 stick. So the materials that you're going to need for this game is something to write on, such as this or piece of paper, and 2 writing tools, preferably of different colors. So please pause this video to get the materials that you need to play this game with me. Great. So the first thing we're going to do is make our game board. So we're going to first start with 2 big lines. We're going to start at the top, big line down. We're going to jump to the top, make sure there's space in between your lines. Big line down. Next, we're going to make 2 lines that go across. So we're going to start at the left side, make a line that goes across, and then we're going to put some space in between and make another line across. It's going to look something like this. Great. So now we're going to fill up your game board with numerals. I'm going to read some numerals to you, and you're going to choose where on your game board that you want to write this numeral. So the first numeral is 10, and the numbers in 10 are a 1 and a 0. So I'm going to choose to write the number 10 in the middle of my game board, but you can choose to write it anywhere that you want. 10, big line down, big curve, 10. The next numeral is 11. The numbers in 11 are a 1 and a 1. Great. So again, find the spot that you want to write the number 11, and it doesn't have to be the same as mine. Big line down, 11. Great. The next numeral is 14. The numbers in 14 are a 1 and a 4. Great. Big line down, little line, jump to the top, big line down, 14. The next numeral is 15. The numbers in 15 are a 1 and a 5. Big line down, little line, little curve, 15. The next numeral is 17. The numbers in 17 are a 1 and a 7. Big line down, little line, diagonal line down, 17. The next numeral is 19. The numbers in 19 are a 1 and a 9. Big line down, little curve, big line down, 19. The next numeral is 20. The numbers in 20 are a 2 and a 0. Big curve, little line, big curve, 20. The next numeral is 23. The numbers in 23 are a 2 and a 3. Big curve, little line, little curve, 23. And the last number or numeral is 31. And the numbers in 31 are a 3 and a 1. Little curve, big line down. Great. So now that your game board is finished, we are going to start playing. And the object of this game is to get 3 in a row. It could be that you get 3 numerals from top to bottom. It could be that you get 3 numerals from the left to the right, or in a diagonal from the corners to the other corner. Or if you want, you can try to get all the numerals on your game board. So I'm going to show you a quantity. We're going to figure out how many cubes we see, thinking about the 10 sticks and some more ones, and match it to the numeral that we see in our game board. So let's take a look at this first one. What do you notice? Great. You see a 10 stick, which is a group of 10 and some ones. So I know right away that I don't have to count all of those ones in this group of 10, because I know right away it's 10. So I'm going to count on from 10 to count the ones. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last number we said is 15. Great. So now we're going to look at our game board I'm gonna switch pens again so that I can cross out my numeral 15. 15 is a 1 and a 5. I found it. Cross it out, so I'm gonna make an X on it. 15. Great, let's look at the next one. So what do you notice? Great, I see a 10 stick and some more ones. So again, I'm gonna count on from 10 because I already know that this is a group of 10, and I'm gonna count the ones. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The last number we said is 19. So we're gonna find 19 on your board. You can start at the top and go from the top to bottom and left to right. 14, 23, 11, 10, 17, 19. I found 19. I'm gonna cross it out. Great, let's do the next one. How many do you see? Looking at your groups of 10 and your ones. So I see a 10 stick and some ones. Let's count it together, starting with the group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The last number we said is 17. So now we're gonna find 17 on your game board. Again, if you want, you can start at the top and read the numbers until you find the number 17. 14, 23, 11, 10, 17. Found 17. I'm gonna cross it out and see the next one. So how many do you see? Great, I don't see any ones, but I do see 10 sticks. There's 1, 2. There's 2 10 sticks. Oh, so I'm gonna be counting by 10 because this is a group of 10. Let's count by 10 starting here. Ready? Count. 10, 20. The last number I said is 20. So now we're gonna find the numeral 20 on your game board. 14, 23, 11, 10, 20. I found 20 for me. I'm gonna cross it out. Great. Let's keep going. So now what do you see? Yeah, I see 1, 2, 10 sticks. So 2 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. So we're gonna count by 10s because of these groups of 10 and then by ones. Ready, set, count. 10, 20, and now by ones. 21, 22, 23. The last number we said is 23. So let's find it on your game board. 14, 23. Oh, for me, 23 is right here. Hey, let's do another one. How many do you see? So I see 1, 1, and I see 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 or 3 10 sticks. So I'm gonna count by 10s because this is a group of 10 and then 1. Ready? We're gonna start at 10. Set, count. 10, 20, 30, and 1 more. 31. The last number we said is 31. So we're gonna find that numeral on our game board. 17, 11, 10. Oh, for me, 31's right here. 31. How many do you see? There's 1 10 stick and there's 1 1. So 10 and 1 more is 11. So let's find 11 on your game board. 10, 11. Oh, there's 11 for me. 1 and a 1. Here's another one. How many do you see? 10 stick and then some ones. We're gonna count down from 10. Ready, go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The last number we said is 14. Let's find the number 14. Oh, for me, it was the first number. 1 and a 4 is 14. How many do you see? Oh, I don't see any ones, but I see 1 10 stick, which is a group of 1. So I know right away that number is 10. I'm gonna cross out 10. Oh, and that's my last number. And I got them all. And I hope that you did too. Thanks for playing the game with me, scholars. I hope you had fun because I know that I did. And if you want to play this game at home, some of the materials that you're going to need are something to write on, to create your game board with your numerals, some writing tools, and you're gonna need your 10 sticks and your ones. And I have 2 ideas for how you can create your 10 sticks and ones. My first idea is for you to take pieces of paper and draw your 10 sticks and ones. My second idea is for you to use the materials I used yesterday with Miss Want, where Miss Want had pieces of paper with the number 10 on it to represent her 10 stick or group of 10. And some of you shared that you use blocks or batteries. All of those are great. And then you need something to represent your ones. Miss Want used Legos, or you can use any little item that you have around the house. For me, I'm gonna use the marbles. So once you decide what you're gonna use for your 10 stick and ones, you can put them into a bag or something like a hat that I have. And then you're gonna close your eyes, pick some materials, and decide how many you have. So I picked 1 10 stick and 2 ones. And 10 and 2 is 12. So then you're gonna continue to play the game just like we did. You're gonna get your game board and find the numeral 12. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can create more 10 sticks or more groups of 10 in your bag or in your hat so that you're matching it to a larger numeral. All right, scholars, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.